will discover is your own interpretation of what AI is and what it means to your business. So I'm not going to try and tell you what AI means to media today, right? What we are going to tell you is, how can we help AI make you money? How have we helped our customers make money with AI? That's the focus of this presentation, right? And what you'll see is there's a lot of things that have evolved. Industries borrow from each other all the time, right? I mean, what is innovation in one industry was commonplace in another industry, right? It's just taking the same thing and applying it in a different way. So what this deck is going to do is walk you through how have we seen practical AI evolve, which actually results in some revenues, and it's not academic, it's not very theoretical, it's not just for the scientists. And hopefully, what will give you guys is a perspective to build a bridge within your own industries. So I'm not here standing in front of you as an expert in media, I'm not, right? However, I will tell you pieces where you can hopefully get inspired from retail examples, from other examples, and so on. Does that make sense? Okay. Number one, when you think about rich relevance, we want you to think about a full life cycle. So there's a lot of companies you'll find which are point solutions, right? They solve one part of the puzzle, and I'll tell you what that means. We solve the entirety of the life cycle of the customer, right? Number two, it's about self-driving AI and not rules-based. So it's an important sort of consideration as you think about AI, because AI can be a lipstick on a pig sometimes. So it's a big buzzword too, right? I mean, who wants to get caught with a software company that does not have AI? I mean, really, everybody, if you're in marketing, you got to say this is AI, right? I mean, otherwise it doesn't work. But the reality is that when you look deeper, you'll find that most of AI is simply rules. A lot of rules that people have written on top of that, and they've called it like a label to say this AI. I'll tell you the difference of how to tell those apart as we go along. So what AI needs to do is to eliminate rules so it can start to make decisions in your favor. So you can reduce costs, you can improve efficiency, all of those things comes in if you implement AI correctly. So you'll see what that means. Number three, it's about enterprise class and not for SMB. So what I mean by this is, you need to look at the platform as a way that it can actually scale from a very small company to a very large organization without having it just throw away things in the middle. How do you do that? How do you make sure that something that works at a smaller scale also ends up working at a very large scale, and there's continuous learning that ends up happening in the process? So we'll talk about what that means, and that's with patterns and scale and so on and so forth. Resulted in orders, and I want to make sure that those are the ones that you're optimizing for. That's what we can do with content. Number three is recommendations. Recommendations is classic product recommendations, right? So if you have a whole bunch of products, a large catalog, how do I go from having 50,000 products in my classifieds and show you the three that matters to you? How do I learn from your clicks what you like, what you don't like, from your behavior? And there's a bunch of other things as well to do that. Now, obviously the basis for all of this is going to be the AI. So the little blue icon that you see there is our AI called Zen AI, and I'll explain that in a second. And AI needs a lot of data. That's the truth about AI, is it needs a lot of data. AI doesn't quite work very well when the data is sparse.